everyone. I'm going to give you a quick look into why product teams are choosing to use Usersnap. Building successful products starts with understanding your customers, your users, what they need, where they struggled, and how your product can deliver the right solution. But more often than less, teams are getting stuck either guessing or chasing after misaligned feedback. So that's where Usersnap comes in. Usersnap provides clear, actionable insights that helps you make confident data-driven decisions. So whether you're an agency streamlining UAT by collecting and managing client feedback efficiently, or a software company gathering direct input from your end users to refine your product, Usersnap helps you collect the right insights to solve the most impactful problems for your clients. So with Usersnap, you can easily capture feedback with screenshots and record it, completed with metadata, the data that you need on your customers. Create micro-targeted surveys with advanced features that you expect, like conditional logic, and be able to announce product updates and new feature releases all within one product. Plus, you could explore tools like public board or AI capabilities and much more within the Usersnap platform. So let's jump into the platform and take a look at what we could do. Okay, so we're in a demo environment right now, and let's pretend that this is your website or your application. There are two things that we're going to do today. One, we're going to show how we submit a bug. So for example, I see that there's a little typo here. Then we're also going to launch a customer satisfaction survey because we want to know how our customers are liking our product or service. So it is easy right here to see that there's a button that you click on feedback. This is what your customers would see. And then this is a feedback widget that allows you to populate different types of action items. So here I am going to easily select report an issue because there's a bug. Here, I then have multiple different options as I could easily capture a screenshot, or I could even do a screen recording. But for this one, I'm just going to do a screenshot. So here you could see there's a lot of variation of tools and arrows so that you could be able, like in any user-friendly product, to be able to notify and select exactly what you want to submit. After I do that, I say add a screenshot, and then I could add some description. There is a typo in this data point. And then I could just easily submit that. Now, another thing that I'm going to show you here is a customer satisfaction survey. So this is different than having a feedback widget that just populated here. So if I launch a customer satisfaction survey, we love these types of ratings where I could either say, okay, yes, happy, but then this is a great place and opportunity for you to add some conditional logic. So if a customer rates like these two happy signs, then you could follow up with inviting them for an interview or one-on-one feedback. And if your customers are saying, oh, I'm not really happy, you will want to ask them a different follow-up question. So again, this is where conditional logic really makes sense to personalize the experience based on your user's response. Now, we want to see what this data looks like in our dashboard. So here in Usersnap, this is the feedback that will come in. You'll be able to see all of your feedback listed on the left. And here, you could see, as promised, there is some really good information as the metadata. I want to know the browser, the domain, the user ID, the persona. These are really good information for you to have so that you know who is submitting this feedback and you have like a lot more data associated with it. So we have that qualitative and quantitative data to support. Plus, what you also see here on the right side is a lot of nice tools to triage this feedback. So I could change assignee, I could change the status, I could even add some labels, which our AI tool feature for smart labels allows some of these like spam feedback that comes in to be able to automatically be tagged. And also you could add an integration and send this feedback to any integration that your team uses. And lastly here, which we're really happy about, when say you got some negative feedback, you prioritized it on your roadmap and then communicated to your customers, hey, this is being worked on, and then you want to now announce that new feature. You could do this all at the same time within Usersnap with our new announcements. So you could choose a template or you could start from scratch. This feature is in our beta mode because we just recently launched it, but here you could customize your announcements and be able to tell your users directly, segment it about your product update. So as you can see, there are a lot of cool features that Usersnap is offering to its customers, and that's one of the many reasons why product teams are loving this all-in-one feedback platform.